Hey, this is Dark Steel coming to you from inside my office here in Rowanwood. If you're not sure what Rowanwood is, be sure and check us out at rowanwoodart.com and read the blog while you're there. If you've kept up to date on my videos, you probably already know that I have a t-shirt available for purchase on my page there on rowanwoodart.com. So go and check that out. Today, I thought I'd challenge myself to something. I'm going to make 20 spearheads, and I'll show you a picture of that in just a second. Here it is. And this is a multi-tool. What makes it different than the average spearhead is that it works as a shovel. Because of its long, elongated handle, it also works as a knife when you need it to, and you can attach it to a pole, and it works as a spearhead, of course. So it's a survival multi-tool, and that's also available for purchase on my page on rowanwoodart.com. Be sure and check out the end of the video for a bonus project that I threw in on top of all that. Anyway, I hope you enjoy. So, a regrettably common occurrence for me, I don't know if this is true for all bladesmiths or if I'm alone on this, but I was working on a piece and set it down somewhere and now can't find it. Everything I work with is rust colored, which is very similar to the color of dirt, and I have a dirt floor shop, and so whenever I drop something or set something down and turn my back on it for a second, sometimes the object becomes invisible, and I have to go back around looking for it, and that is an unfortunate thing indeed. Okay, the most ridiculous thing, I'm wondering if you caught it whenever I was looking around the blacksmith shop for the piece I was working on. Found it. It was sitting on top of my other vise, and I looked right past it, scanned right past it with the camera, and just completely missed it. And that's how that happens, is I look around and just cannot see what's right in front of me. But there it is, found it. And now it's time to get the forge started. In lieu of getting a good coal supplier, I've been having a little bit of trouble finding somebody to supply coal. I am going to go ahead and use wood today. You burn through wood a little bit quicker, so I don't like doing it that much. Apparently there's a little bit of water in my oil. But there's the quench blade. Next, we do a little bit of shaping.